Hello, guys. Welcome. Today in additional, we have one puzzle left. The fourth puzzle is a Tectonic in today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, July the 30th, 2022, almost end of the month, and it's weekend. Yes, 3 puzzles are already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. The Tectonics are already solved, and now 1 puzzle is left, the Tectonic with 4 stars. The other puzzles in this additional, I will do this tomorrow, because tomorrow we have no newspaper. So I will do the rest of the puzzles, but first this cijfer block in Dutch. But it's an ordinary Tectonic. With the number 4937. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 19. Cannot believe this. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10, but this one has 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Well, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box always a 1. Do we have more single boxes here? No, I see here a dual box. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 here is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Here also the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here also dual box, the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. More dual boxes? No, triple boxes then. I see here triple box there. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. Okay, and when you see the triple box, remember the box near the middle box. This is the middle box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5, but it can be a 5 here because we have a 5 here. So this box should be a 4. Here also a triple box contains the 1, the 2, the 3. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. But the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay, triple box, quadra boxes then now. Can we see here the quadra box? Let me check. No quadra boxes. Well. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, particular shapes. For example, the T shape, or structures, or constructions, or figures, whatever you name it. The T shape, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box, but also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Okay. Alright. Okay. Only 1 T shape. Let me check if there are more T shapes. Not only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Okay. Alright. More of these kind of shapes. Let me check. Only 1. Yes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. 3. Yeah, we have 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Okay. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. More L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes. 4 figures. Or constrictions. Or constrictions or... maximum are 6. But in this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Those shapes, those figures. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here and double 2 there. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. But I cannot place the 2 there because we already have a 2 here. So not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So now we have a pair, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, okay. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box should be also 3 and 4. Then these 2 boxes can be, these 2 boxes Can it be a 2? Those 2 boxes, can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then I think this box should be a no. These 2 boxes in this area should be the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Well. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. 1, 2, 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 3. Okay, so 2 numbers left. Need a 5 in this area. Could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be in one of those 2 boxes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, well, we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 here. This box should be a 5. That box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 4. Double 3, 3 and a 4. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. That box should be a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 there. This box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then. Let me think. 4 to 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Okay. And now. Let me think. Okay, 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now, wait. 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. Overlooked. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 1. 3 and 4. Overlook this 3. We have a 3 now. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes, and there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Okay. 2 numbers left. For the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Almost finished. Almost finished. I think this box should be a 4. Yes. Because it cannot be a 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. And the last 2 numbers, the final 2 numbers in this area for the numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you, cannot be a 4 stars. Can it be a 3 stars? Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic. Playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe. And you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. The rest of the puzzles I will do. So have a great and fantastic weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.